So as we all know, our college has recently organized its 9th corporate summit. So Naksh, I wanted to know what are your experiences?
So first of all, I love to thank Jaipuria because this summit was my first experience, and I got the opportunity to connect with leaders, corporate leaders and alumni. I got to know how networking is quite important. What are the pros and cons we have to face in our future?
So Naksh, do you find it difficult in communicating with the top leaders which are present there and the alumni which are placed?
I thought it could be hard for me because alumni and leaders are somewhere a person will hesitate to speak. I was nervous at that point, but when I start talking to them personally, so they made it easy to me connect with them. I told about my experience, what I'm thinking about going ahead with, and they gave me advice and what are the places where I will find difficulties. So that was a quite good experience for me.
So Naksh, can you please list down the various learnings from the corporate summit?
First of all, as I told you, networking is quite crucial for us, right? When you go to corporate place, you have to make a relationship with them, and this relationship will help you further as when you have to grow, when you face problem. So networking is quite crucial, and apart from this, I would say what I learned and what I summarized, that blue mapping, it tells you about how you have to take step. For example, right, you're thinking about your SIP, right? After that you will go for interviews. After that, how will you go further?
Yeah, the process of going to the corporate world.
Yep. First you enter the corporate, after that you have to understand what are the stages you have to face. So that I learned from that. We already had an opportunity of industrial visit. Can you tell your experience about
the
it?
industrial visit was very fabulous, as our college provides the theoretical knowledge of the industries, but being there we have learned the practical knowledge, how the industry works, how organization works. While being there, we have learned about the various technological advancements, how the industry works, how they perform the task, and various other things which helps us in developing our corporate life.
I do agree with you, as one of thing we are learning from way back from MBA, that time management is quite crucial. So we saw over there that each person has a fixed duty and he have to perform that on time, because if a slight delay will cause a huge problem from there.
The time management plays a crucial role, as you have to complete the task on time to perform, to improve the efficiency of the organization.
Yeah. So efficiency is a quite important thing, I believe. Every stage require efficiency in the industry. Thank you, Tanmay, for your time, and it was a quite lovely discussion, and I'm looking forward to talk with you again.
Thank you, Naksh.